Hello guys and welcome. We'll start talking about GNU Privacy Guard or GPG. GNU Privacy Guard is a cryptographic tool that helps you manage public and private keys as well as perform encryption and decryption, both symmetric and asymmetric, signing and verifying operations. In my opinion, GPG is the most popular cryptographic tool and offers the highest level of security. If you want to encrypt a file and to be sure that no one will ever access it, GPG is your tool of choice. Of course, this is debatable. Note that GPG is not a cryptographic protocol, but it implements the same cryptographic protocols everyone uses. You'll find SHA-2 hash algorithms family, advanced encryption standard used for symmetric encryption, or RSA used for public key encryption. It's somehow similar to OpenSSL, just that its main purpose is a little bit different. GnuPG is an open source implementation of OpenPGP, or Pretty Good Privacy, as defined in RFC 4880. Let's start with the installation. Depending on your platform, you can install the GPG command line tool with the following commands. On macOS, the easiest installation is to use the popular package manager Homebrew. In a terminal, you just type brew install GnuPG. On Windows, you can find the GnuPG installer at this address, gpgforwin.org. In this example, I'm gonna use Linux. Most Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Kali Linux, and so on come with GPG already installed. But if it's necessary, you can install it by executing sudo apt install GnuPG. On Kali Linux, GnuPG is already the newest version. To get started and make sure it is installed correctly, run gpg --help. It printed out the version number, supported encryption and hash algorithms, and all the usage options. You see, it's a very complex command. This will give you an overview of all the features of GPG. Okay, I'll take a short break, and in the next lectures we'll see how to encrypt a file using both symmetric and asymmetric encryption.